today we are going to discuss two products that we have developed in Sai Paks India Private Limited under my guidance. And one is shrink sleeve for Hindustan Unilever Limited, and another is Carton for Dr Reddy's in collaboration with Zim Laboratories Limited. So first of all, I will request volunteers to distribute the samples to audience. Volunteers, please. Distributed already? Okay. Yeah. Where is the clicker? Yeah. So this is the product for Unilever Limited that we have developed. So this looks like a normal shrink sleeve, but the process behind this is very critical and very technical. So the concept behind this is shrink sleeve beyond decoration. This has been created for pure shelf impact. When it comes to pure shelf impact, this sleeve has been developed with the help of foil and lacquer integrated system. Now materials used. Materials we have used for this sleeve are cast PVC 45 microns, UV inks, then shrinkable specialty foils from Curves India, UV lacquers and UV varnishes. Earlier this project was on PETG film, but due to unnatural behavior of matte varnish with PETG film, Unilever shifted this project on a special request from their mandate team on cast PVC film, considering sustainability. But we have developed 95% on PETG film as well. From next month, we are going to shift this project on PETG film. The challenges. Challenges for these projects were Unilever required a premium gold effect on this Horlicks protein film, but because of their color shade, we have printed this sleeve before with golden foil directly on the cast PVC film, but golden foil was shining very prominent. It was having very high luster. So rather using golden foil directly, we used a silver foil here, and with the help of silver foil, adhesion base, mixing base has been used, and on top of that silver foil is there. On silver foil, golden lacquer has been applied. On applied, there is a dense layer of matte varnish, creating a controllable golden effect. If you can see the sample, there is a controllable golden effect with help of foil and lacquer integrated system. So this has become an 11 color job on 8 color flexo press. That is a very tough job actually. Process development. For process development, we have used Markandi P5 flexo press. Reverse printing has been achieved successfully, as well as there is a surface printing of 5 colors on this job, and then layers on layer has been achieved successfully, and repass registration has been achieved successfully. So the detailed print construction here we are going to study. Detailed print construction for this job, we have used cyan, magenta, yellow, black, all the process color has been printed reverse, and then 2 Pantones. 2 Pantones has been also reverse printed. White has also been reverse printed. And then now repass comes. First, after repass, for second pass, we have given mixing base or transparent white, what we say in flexo industry, on the top of the film. And then on transparent white, we have applied silver shrinkable foil for adhesion of foil and mixing base properly. And then golden lacquer has been applied. Then dense matte varnish has been applied for a premium effect of the sleeve. So the final outcome here, we have developed a complete innovative metallic effect with the help of silver and golden lacquer, silver foil. When it comes to sticker labels, I guess so many of you here from flexo industry, applying a foil and overprinting on foil on self-adhesive label is very easy. But flexible films like cast PVC or PETG or flexible laminates, it becomes tough because of their material construction. An 11 color flexographic job on 8 color flexo press has been developed successfully. Here again, as Jainam has praised flexo well during his presentation. So again, this is one of the beauty in flexo, that we can print n numbers of colors on flexographic press. And commercial viable solution has been achieved. When your product is a high-end product, this product is around 140, 145 rupees. So any brand can afford this kind of sleeve, high-end sleeve. This unique sleeve technology has been achieved. Yeah. So this is the appeal of sleeve after shrinking. Here is the bottle also. And the yellow part you can see that is a controllable foil, actually with silver foil and lacquer. And now we will discuss second product, that is Carton for Dr Reddy's, developed for Zim Laboratories Limited. So again, this is the unique technology developed with the help of offset. Here we have used ITC Sapphire board 300 GSM, offset pastings, UV offset varnishes, gloss and matte for dense effect, for a dip off effect. And then print construction. We will study print construction of this job. Here we have used Pantones, 3 Pantones and 2 varnishes, gloss and matte varnish. Now again, this is a unique carton. If we open this carton, you can see the instructions over here. You can see the instructions over here as well as here. So if I take this carton, this part and this part, this will become a normal carton. And now here we have given the additional flap to this carton, deleting the leaflet procedure at manufacturer process. So basically the idea behind this was that manufacturer should save his time rather than inserting leaflets while inserting the medicine inside. And here are some critical informations on the carton. This carton has been developed by a Shinora 6-color offset machine, and rip-off has been done, giving high print accuracy. And now I would like to show the position of the flaps in the carton. So as I mentioned, these are the basic carton flaps, and this is the additional flap. And beside this, there is the backside printing area. On backside of the paper also, on backside of the sapphire board, we have printed with Pantone shades, and Pantone has been protected with UV gloss varnishes. As of course, that backside of the paper is unprinted area. So this again is a very successful project. So I think I am done with my 2 projects. Thank you.